University Credit Union offers more than home loans. We provide complete real estate lending solutions designed for your life. We offer a comprehensive suite of real estate lending options, including fixed-rate mortgages, adjustable-rate mortgages, FHA loans, VA loans, and USDA loans. Lower your monthly payments with refinancing or tap into your home's equity for renovations, education, or major milestones. We can offer you flexible options to make your home work for you. At University Credit Union, it's more than a transaction. It's a partnership. With digital tools and expert guidance, you stay in control every step of the way. Whatever your real estate plans, buying, refinancing, or tapping into your home's equity, University Credit Union is here to make it simple, affordable, and personal. Let's get started. Visit ucu.org today.